Well, hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Wild Your Garden. And in this video I need you to stick around because I've actually got some questions for you guys. So stick around for that. But in this video I am going to be giving you a bit of an update, and as you can see, firstly my garden behind me, which I luckily managed to get planted over the bank holiday weekend over the last few days, and I'm so chuffed with the results. Now I haven't got enough time in this video today. I'm off to create another wildlife pond over in Wiltshire, or to continue with it, but I just thought I would give you a bit of an update. But I wanted to say don't panic, because in the next few days I will be releasing a full garden tour for early May. So I'll be listing more of the plants that I've put in the herbaceous borders. You can see this one just here, and if I shuffle this way, this one that I have now planted, which are looking fabulous, and I just want to click my fingers and have them all established nicely. So yeah, really looking forward to seeing these develop. But you can see, firstly, I have got a nice row of lavender along the front. But anyway, more on the entire plant list to come in another video. But wanted just to update you guys, just to let you know what's happening and what I've been up to. Now, as you can see, the garden is pretty much 99% there now. So, and if you haven't seen any of the videos previously, do go on the home page and go on the playlist, and you'll see my garden in one of the playlists. If you click on that, I have been busy on my front garden. This is my front wildlife garden, and it is something that I've been working on since February. So yes, it's about there. I'm really chuffed with the results so far. I've also got the insect hotel planted up along the top now, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing this develop. And as I say, I will be doing tours as we go through the spring and into the summer of this front garden. So do remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, guys, so you don't miss a single video. Which brings me on to my next point, because I've been, up until now, since Christmas, I've been posting twice a week on a Wednesday and a Sunday at 6 p.m. BST or GMT, whichever way you like to look at it. So yes, I have been posting every Wednesday and Sunday, but because we are now in the middle of the season, if you like, or I say getting towards the middle of the season, things are really hotting up for me in terms of the work. So I've got so many projects I'm currently working on. I've got people I'm trying to get to, designs I'm working on, consultations to book in. So it's a really busy time for me, and obviously I struggle to take, well, I wouldn't simply get my my main computer with me around the country and edit all the videos too easily. But yeah, so it's a little bit difficult. So I'm going to try and keep up the 2 vids a week, although it's a little bit of a struggle, as I say, because a lot of the time my work takes me all over the country, all around the UK, and often I'm away for a whole week at a time. Especially coming up, we've got a lot of projects. Got a project in Wales, got projects in the south coast, Scotland, and I can't wait, I'll have my first visit to Northern Ireland later in the year, where I'm going to be making a wildlife pond just outside of Belfast. So really looking forward to that. And yes, to be honest, there is so much coming up. It's just very difficult for me to try and manage all the social media and all the videos to create this content for you guys, because I love making these videos. And this is the problem, is I absolutely love making these videos for you guys. And it's great to see so many of you jumping on board, helping out in terms of helping our wildlife, creating mini habitats, whether that's the wildlife ponds, a barrel pond, which so many of you are watching at the moment. It's really cool to see. And stay tuned, because I should say, if you are looking at the wildyourgarden.com online shop on a regular basis or semi-regular basis, then hopefully within the next couple of weeks we should have a new line of products for you guys, which will be the barrel pond that I have featured previously on the channel, and hopefully a bit of a kit to enable you to set up one of these mini wildlife barrel ponds, because they are such an invaluable habitat, and great if you only have a balcony or a small garden, or you rent a garden and you can't dig a pond in the garden. Then a barrel pond is something you can obviously take with you to your next house should you move. So yes, stay tuned, more info on that coming up, but I'm hoping to be able to supply you guys in the UK with all the items you will need, the plants, the baskets, and the barrel, like I say, to create this fantastic little mini habitat. So yes, there's a lot going on, guys, and as always, I should say as well, we have a feature on the channel now where if you like the videos I do, and if just one of my videos has helped you to create a habitat for wildlife, and you like the regular updates and the tips and advice that I've spent 20 years putting together and learning firsthand to bring you guys all the info you need to make these habitats for wildlife, then we do have on the channel a new feature now where if you go underneath the video and you scroll across where you can go to like, comment and everything, there is a little thanks button. So even if you just wanted to just chuck a pound my way, it all goes into the pot and helps towards the filming equipment that I use, the microphones, the editing software, and just everything, storage for all these videos. As you can imagine, all of this being filmed in 4K takes up a heck of a lot of space. So it's everything like that, and the time to obviously respond to you guys. And I should say as well, guys, if you have left a comment previously and I haven't responded, I do apologize. I do try and systematically go through all the comments as they come in, but because you guys are growing in numbers pretty quickly, which is absolutely wonderful, then it is a little bit of a challenge sometimes to keep on top of all those comments and to keep on top of all the emails that you send with photos of the ponds you've made and everything else. It's just a wonderful community, and I can't thank you guys enough for it. But as I say, it is a little bit challenging sometimes, especially as we grow. So I'm looking at more ways of trying to monetize the channel to allow me to kind of shift a little bit more towards putting more time into YouTube, because I think it's such an invaluable resource for creating habitats. As much as I go around the country doing them, and don't panic, I'll still be doing that. I can't ever stop wanting to make habitats for wildlife, but I think this channel is such an invaluable resource, hopefully, let me know, that enables a lot of people to go and create these habitats, because it's all about connectivity. It's all about making these habitats globally so that we can create a patchwork quilt of little oases for wildlife. And that doesn't matter whether you're in the UK, Northern Europe, you know, Africa, Italy, anywhere in the world, America, Australia. It really is an absolutely wonderful opportunity, I think, for us all to connect with each other and share what we've been doing. I think it's just absolutely fantastic, and YouTube is absolutely the place where I'm going to continue to post all the stuff about what I do. So on that note, guys, I would like to say as well, if you've got any questions about what you'd like to see on the channel, the last video I did has gone really well, which is the top 5 pollinator friendly plants, if you like, for a nectar border, but I'll put a link into at the end of this one so you can have a look at that if you haven't seen it. But that's gone down really well so far. We've had thousands of views within the first 24 hours. So, you know, I'm very keen to know what you guys feel about the channel, what are your favorite videos, what you'd like to see more of, and if you've got any specific videos, then do drop them in the comments below, because I will be happy to entertain whatever I can wherever I am around the country. So if I can make a video, and I should say, guys, I'm also filming all the time around the country wherever I go, so whether that's making a video on a specific plant or one of the gardens that I'm creating, a pond that I'm making, I'm always filming. So yes, it obviously gives me a lot of opportunities to be able to film specific things. If you have a particular video you'd like me to cover or a plant that you'd like me to cover, so yes, I'd be very interested to know what you guys think of the channel, what you like to see, what you'd like to see more of, and that would be great feedback for me. So yes, don't want to make this video too long because I'm waffling away and I'm not giving you the content that I normally give you about the information to create habitats, but I thought it'd be nice to just connect with you guys a little bit more and yeah, get your views on the channel and update you, as I say. And just to let you know that I will still be posting a video definitely every Sunday 6 PM GMT. So yes, let me know if you've got any comments on that, and thank you very much for watching, guys. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, give the video a like, and I'll obviously be sure to bring you many more videos on all the ways in which you can help wildlife in your own garden in videos to come. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all soon.